Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Eddie. Well, as you know, it's starting to become summer and it is feeling good out here. Of course, that means we're going to be bringing out the cars for the summer. And I wanted to speak to you guys real quick about my cheap 3500 350Z that I bought just about sometime last year. Yeah, let's dive into it, see what's going on. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is my 350Z, $3,500. Of course, let's dive into some of the things that's wrong with it and then tell you why I bought it. So first things first, of course, is rusted, especially in the rear end. We got the tail lights over here, which are completely yellowed. Broken bumper, chipped bumper. It had ball tires, not anymore. Rims, they were painted completely chipped or scrubbed. Either way, bad. Paint job, wrong. Just so you guys can see a little clear on camera. Oh, maybe not, because it's too dark. But look at this here. This is bad. I mean, they didn't even tape it up correctly. Can you see the lip there? The transfer between the paint and the old one? Let's see. Maybe a little bit, yeah. As you can tell, tail light, they didn't even tape this off to make it a nice clean line. It looked like they just painted just to cover the tail light halfway. I mean, it does look nice, don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna take it back off because it's so sloppy. Brakes, they are terrible. You really can't see them here, but they are bad. They need to be replaced. As you know before, the radio is completely bad, and everything underneath was completely rusted out as well. The rims, out of balance. When you're driving, the vibration is serious. All you feel is boom, 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 boom while you're in the car. So, yeah, it doesn't feel good at all. It also had a broken muffler. So at the end of the day, the whole rear end, in the clip that I'm gonna show you right now, was completely rusted, completely broken down. And you know, I had to replace all them, sand it down, make it like new again. It's either the mufflerless humidity that caused all that problem, or it was parked in the snow and just left there for days. Once again, this car has 160,000 miles, but 160,000 miles of not being taken care of. There's no fender liners, there's no engine undercover. It's just, yeah guys, the radio was all messed up. This is what $3,500 350Z gets you. You know what? I actually have a clip of what I've done before. Let me just rewind to that way you guys can see it here. Alright guys, so yeah, there you have it. That's a little bit of what I've done so far to the vehicle. Right now it's summertime, I'm going to start it back up. That way we can start enjoying the summer with her, going on some rides together. I got rims, brakes, probably do the engine rebuild, but probably towards the end of the summer because I want to enjoy the vehicle. Yeah, probably do a nice wrap, who knows. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick overview of my 350Z and why you should get a cheap car, because like I said, it's good, it's a smart investment to go low, fix everything yourself, learn the mechanical skills along the way, and at the end of the day, save a lot of money. That's the big picture there. But there's so many things wrong with it, and my thing is, if you're gonna get a project car, make sure you get something like this, something that you can work on and something that is not too expensive, because at the end of the day, you're gonna replace bumpers, you're gonna replace the brakes, you know, to get those big brake kits or sport brakes, whatever you like. You know, you're gonna be replacing everything. I want you guys to come to terms, especially for my younger audience, that your vehicle investment, whatever you put into it right now, some point in time may just come to a complete halt and you may lose all your money, because when you're racing or you're just driving, at the end of the day, your vehicle can completely be lost. Okay, whether you're racing through no fault of your own, someone can hit you, or you could be at a stop sign and someone just comes right behind you and hits your car. It's like, it can be so dramatic. So just know, if you're looking to get a project car, get the cheapest one that you can and build it up. That way you can save money and you know, be smart about it. All right, but let's start her up now and see if she's able to start. Alright guys, connecting the negative, so of course you always want to have the battery on hand because the long range is long. Ooh, haven't seen the inside of her in so long. Alright guys, let's see if this works. Damn, I left that in clean condition, boy. Look at that. Alright, let's see if she starts up. It's been a long time. Let's make sure it's in neutral. I mean, not so bad for a car that hasn't been started in so long. Whew. 1, 2, 3. How nice is that? This is a beauty right now. But yeah, guys, at the end of the day, I'm on my way to the gym. You know, just get a project car that you want to enjoy, whether that may be a Civic or a 350Z. Make sure you get the cheapest one and enjoy spending your money on it. Because at the end of the day, everything costs money. So, you know what? Enjoy it. You only live once. And it's always good to enjoy it in a nice ride. So yeah, guys, I'll definitely be seeing you guys this summer. We're going to be spending a lot of time on the car. Like always, you know, comment below. Like this video if you found it helpful in any way. And like always, think for the future, enjoy your present, and don't focus too much on the past. Peace.